When it comes to home maintenance projects, nothing could be easier than changing your furnace filter. How do you know which one to buy? I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. Changing your furnace filter on a regular basis can help improve the air quality of your home. It can extend the life of your furnace and air conditioning system, and it can save you energy dollars. How do you know which one's right for you? Let's take a look at 3 common types. First, we have a disposable fiberglass filter. Now, these have been around for years and they're fairly inexpensive. Now, the problem is these do little more than prevent the large particles like dust and lint from damaging your furnace. The smaller particles like mold and pollen will fly right through and back into your house. Now, this is a disposable pleated filter made from cotton or polyester. Now, these are pretty good at removing smaller particles, but they need to be changed more frequently because they're so dense they fill up fast. This one is a 24-volt polarized media air cleaner. I like this one because when particles pass through, they get electronically charged and they stick to the filter. Even the smallest particles, including pollen, pet dander, flu viruses, and airborne germs get trapped. This filter turns your furnace and air conditioning system into a whole house air cleaning system. Pretty cool. Well, there's also contractor-grade filters that are available through your heating and cooling service company that'll do a great job. Selecting the right filter depends on your furnace and your needs. If you'd like more information on the right filter for your home, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.